And as you can see, I created a test one here earlier. I'm going to show you how you do it. You just hit add new and you choose how you want to do your poll. So here we can put a title, we can choose one answer, several answers if it's going to be several. We can put in answers down here. We can put in other answers if you want them allowed to add another answer. What kind of field they want to, other answers for the text. Put an email for it to send the information to. Through how many days is it possible to vote again, so how before they can vote again. The width, the colour, the font, the style, and we save. And if I go back, you'll see one I opened up earlier on. I'll just show you what it looked like. You can say, do you like our page? And I actually want to put one answer. I don't want it to be several answers. I want them to have one. If you notice, the several answers allows you to have many checkboxes. One answer means they can only click one of the little circles here. So I've said the answers are yes, no, it's awesome, I love it, wow, all of the above except for no. So you've got different ones here. Sends an email. And the block width, the yellow background. And then we save. So if we now wanted to insert that in a page, we can get code, but we'll do that later. Let's look at the bulletins first. So I want to add new. And let's put in the information here. And I'll fill this out and we'll come back to the video. Okay, so we've called it My Bulletin. We're going to let it display the title, but you can choose not to. We can display do not display filter. We've got how many items we're going to display from the bulletin. In this case, I've chosen 3. We're going to have it randomly. Table width 500. Background is white. Font color is blue. Georgia font 10. And I'm going to enable the RSS. So we save. Okay, if I was to hit view at this point on the messages, you'll see there's nothing here. So we're going to need to post. Let's create a post for our bulletin. And we've got a publish date is from today. And then we're going to put in a brief message. Okay, so we've started filling out the content. I've started formatting the first one. We've got our brief message here. And then we've got the in-depth message. So we need to make this one the same here. We made it the Arial font. And we made it a size 10. Let's highlight in italics and bold the middle section. And we can do what we like here. We can even make this a web link if we wanted to. There's all sorts we can do here. And then we'll save. So if we have a look at it, we can see there that it's got the date. Anon is the author. And it's got, and we want to read more. We can click and read more and go back. So we've done our bulletin for later to add into our page. So let's go back. Now we've done a poll and a bulletin. Let's go back to continue editing our project. So we want to click on the test me. This is the page we were creating. And it's going to open that for us now. So here we have that. Let's create, let's put a new block after the HTML code. So you put new block here. It says before or after. So we want this one after. And we're now going to create a new block underneath the writing we did a moment ago. And on this new block, we're going to be adding video. So we click the video to create a new video block. So here we can add a video block. And in this case, I'm going to choose to have a YouTube video. And I'm going to leave it empty for the defaults. Black background, I'm going to leave it empty as well. And here we need to actually put in the YouTube ID only. We don't need the whole link. We just need the ID of the video. So I found my video on YouTube and I just pasted it in here. I don't need to upload because I'm not selecting a SWF or FLV file. I don't need to put the direct URL. So let's save the block. As you can see here, we've saved the block and here's our YouTube video. So what I could do here is put a new block afterwards that's HTML just to explain what this is here. So let's do that. Okay, so I've written some content here. I'll just put in above is the video and below will be a flash file. That'll be our next one. And when we're happy how we formatted our block, we can save once again. And before we add our flash video, let's go take a look at our saved page now and see what it looks like.